Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you some journals that I've made, and these are all blank naked journals, and they'll all be listed in my shop. They are traveller's notebook size, so they all measure 8.25 by 4.5. They have 100 pages front and back, and like I said, they are bare, but there are various papers in each one, so I will do a flip through of each one really quickly for you. I'll just show you the covers. Set that to one side. And we have this one, and I will start with this one. So the cardstock I've used it looks like a fabric, like a heavy fabric, but obviously it's not, it's cardstock, and it's been sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. Like I said, one signature, 100 pages front and back. So I've done some layering here. I've used this image here. I've got some bling here, the word treasure. We've got a double ball with a little flower centre there, eyelets and string as a closure, and that's the same on each of them. So let's go inside. So I've used Tsunami Rose Charming Fragments. The papers are a mixture of coffee and tea dyed papers. Got some corner punching here, paper bag. There is Edith Holden pages, book pages. This is from the old design shop. Some lined, no it's not lined, that's squared. Some more French ephemera here. Some more punching, some ledger, and here another doily, paper bag, the centre of the signature, that's a flip out. So these would be great to obviously decorate yourself, do journaling in, add all your photographs, memorabilia. Blank journals are great to well, it's a blank canvas, isn't it? You know, you could even collage over the top of that and just have little bits poking out and peeking out. So that is that one. Then we have this one. That's the cardstock. Layering this image, some bling, the word journal, another ball with a flower centre, and organza ribbon. No, it's not organza ribbon. I will get this right. It's too hot today. So again, this is Charming Fragments. All the printed paper is all laser printed. So they're good quality images, and if you wanted to like colour and stuff like that, maybe watercolour or something, it's not gonna it's not gonna mess around with the image on the other side because it's lasered. Now I've set these at a low price because shipping is, well, for international shipping is, I don't know why that's caught there, shipping is tracked and signed for. So, and it's obviously I've set that for my journals to do with the weight and things like that of the journals. Because these ones are not so heavy, that's why I have put these at a lower price, because the postage will make up for the low price, if you know what I mean. I will have a little bit of a footnote on the listings for these to probably explain better in words than it is me trying to talk it. So that's that one. Yeah, so basically instead of me putting these at say like £20, they're actually going to be a little bit cheaper than that, because it will compensate with the postage for profit, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So they're all roughly the same. They've got the same kind of things in them. Same Edith Holden, and obviously not same pages, but Edith Holden pages, book pages, doilies, ledgers, excuse me. I love that paper. Flip out. Edith Holden. It's amazing how you get some of the markings of the, like the tea or the coffee dyed papers. Some of them come out so like neutral in colour, and some of them have got some really nice wacky stains on them. And it's never anything that you can do twice, is it, when you do that? So that is that one. I love that bird image. And then we have this one here. Whoops. That's the back of that one. It's got butterflies. If any of you are on the Junk Journal Junkie groups or Artie Mays, or follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that I done an altered bag last night, and it was inspired by Tina, who is Hummingbird Tales here on YouTube, and she had done a tutorial on an altered bag using obviously images and black lace and appliques. So I thought, right, I've got to give that a try. So I'll show you that in a second, because tomorrow I'm going to make a journal to go inside of it, and the cover is going to be similar to the bag, and then that will be up for grabs. So it's going to be like a big chunky journal. I'm not sure whether to do it blank and just add some like make some tags and things to go with it, a little bit of ephemera to pop in. We will see how tomorrow goes. So that is the journals, and like I said, all listed for sale. I'm just going to quickly show you my altered paper bag. So that is the altered paper bag, and I didn't decorate the back, but I might do once I've made the journal. So it's a block bottom bag. So it's going to be a journal inside that, and I'm going to do the cover to match the outside of that. I think that's so pretty. I love the black. It's not something that I would normally do, but it's something that I will be doing from now on. So thank you to Tina for that inspiration. So like I said, the link will be below to my shop if you want to purchase one of these, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.